Are you a school psychologist looking to save time with writing recommendations for a student? Then School Psych AI is the perfect tool for you. And if you're brand new to AI or you're not really sure how you're supposed to be using AI for recommendations, don't worry because I'm going to walk you through what it looks like here in action. You'll go to schoolpsych.ai, then go to Sophia and click on Sophia Recommends. As you can see, this is one that I use pretty regularly, so I'm going to hit reset so that you can see what it looks like if you're navigating to this screen for the first time. So in this text box below, this is the chatbot. This is where Sophia is. So you'll give her a prompt and some context. Let's see. Let's say you're looking for some recommendations. You've got a student that has some identified weaknesses in reading fluency. So let's ask Sophia to help. Write some recommendations for a third grader who struggles with reading fluency. Let's see what she can come up with. Okay, it looks like there's about 5 different recommendations here. The first is assisted reading practice, so pairing the student with an accomplished reader who can provide some support or correct any reading errors. The next one, repeated readings. We know that this is an evidence-based intervention, building up the fluency and accuracy of those passages. Reading out loud, having the student choose and read their favorite paragraph or sentence. Fluency folders, give them some optional practice for repeated reading practice. Listening passage preview, having the student follow along silently with an accomplished reader as they read the passage out loud. Okay, so this is a good starting off point, but let's say that this third grader is actually at the skill level where we're still reading words in isolation fluently, working on that skill rather than fluency within connected text. So let's say now make recommendations for word reading fluency in isolation. Okay, so now we're getting a little bit different, a little different version here. So word chunks, breaking down words into smaller chunks, word lists that students can practice reading those words repeatedly, maybe some incremental rehearsal, word recognition games, like word matching, word races. And this is getting my school psych brain juices flowing again. And I'm thinking, ooh, I know of a good tangible strategy that this caregiver can use or this teacher can use that I'm going to go pull a link for and drop it in. So this is a really good way to generate kind of that starting off point so that you can take it to that next level and make it individualized for that student. So this is just one way that I use Sophia Recommends. Like I mentioned, this is the one that I use most often. It saves me a ton of time, and I hope it saves you time too.